everyone, welcome to today's video. My name is Queenie and this is a video you guys have been asking for in the comments of my other previous videos, answering the question, where did I go, where have I been, and what's happening with my press-on business. So we're going to cover all of that and put together a super cute cozy winter set. So let's get started and I will fill you all in. So first off, I want to go over the set that I'll be making. So this is a cozy winter blue and white set with a focus on snuggling up with a good book on a snowy Sunday afternoon. I could snuggle up with a good book anywhere. I live at the beach, so I do a lot of beach reading. And I love to read. So if you love to read, drop me a comment. Let me know what you're reading right now. We need to make our own nail book club. You know what I'm saying? So the middle finger has a stack of really cute books in 3 different colors, and then the ring finger has a stamp that says good books. So let's get started putting this set together, and I will start filling you in on everything that has happened with Nail Art Queenie to this point. So the thumb and the pinky already have this Essie Blanc on there, and they are already top coated. And then this rinse and repeat from Orly is going to go on all the other nails in 2 coats. So while I'm doing that, I will tell you about what happened with Nail Art Queenie. So obviously my website is no longer in existence. I had to shut down the company, and it was all health related. The company was actually doing really well. I was having a lot of fun making nails and filling orders and all of that kind of thing. But I was having some really bad back pain, and I went to the doctor and I was diagnosed with costochondritis, which is a inflammation of the tissue that holds your rib cage together. Tell me that's not painful. So in the videos that you saw, I was, doing one set of nails, and sometimes that one set of nails would take me 8 hours to do. So if I had 5 orders, I'm looking at, 5 straight days of being hunched over my desk and putting nail looks together. Oh, this Snow Much Fun is going to be the topper. It looks like it's snow, and then there's snowflakes in there that I have to dig out later to place onto the nail. So we'll get to that, but I just wanted to let you know that's what I'm doing right now. So I kind of guess it goes without saying, I just couldn't sit at my desk like that all day. I was in so much pain. I would get up at the end of the day and I could barely walk because I just hurt so much. And I persevered and I kept going, and the more I did it, the worse it got. And I just decided that for my health's sake and the ability to walk's sake, that it was in my best interests to close down the business. Okay, so let me go over to what's happening on the screen and just talk a little bit about what I'm doing here. So I'm just going to reverse stamp this stack of books onto the middle nail, and then we will get to the ring finger, which is going to have the good book stamp like I mentioned before. So a little bit more info on costochondritis. Basically, it is a chronic condition. It'll allow you to feel good one day. It'll allow you to feel not good the next day. And the fatigue, though, can be pretty intense. So resting, taking care of yourself, all of that is super important, especially if you have other autoimmune deficiencies like I do. I have rheumatoid arthritis, fibromyalgia, and I also have vitiligo, which is the changes in pigment to your skin. You can sometimes see them in my videos on my hands, but I just kind of needed a break, and I'm never really going to be better, but I'm feeling better now, so I'm super excited about that. I guess it's from the rest. I guess one of the things too is that I wanted some time to heal mentally too, from the fact that I couldn't keep my business. So I kind of fell by the wayside, and I started reading a lot and working out and trying to take care of myself and things like that. But a few weeks ago, I finally felt like I was in the right state of mind to tackle this again from a different perspective though. So this perspective would allow me to do nail art, but change the business model from selling press-on nails to teaching about them and about small business as a whole. So that's where I'm at today, and this being my first video back, I apologize if the camera or lighting or even the design is not up to my regular standards. It's been a while since I filmed, and I just need to get my bearings back. So let me digress and just say doing nail art is my passion, and I have missed it so much. But that's what's great about YouTube, because I can still do my art and share my designs with everyone. And it allows me to not only have a creative outlet, but a community of people who not only love doing nails, but also have an entrepreneurial spirit like I do. So that being said, my goal now is to bring you quality educational information regarding not only nail designs, but also the business side of things. So if you decide to take that route, I'm here to help you. So I want to work on uploading quality content so I can move forward and monetize this channel to, in effect, have another business. But yeah, doing YouTube this way will allow me to take it easy on my back. I can take breaks during the day when I need them, and I can be more consistent with my uploads. So I'm super excited about that. And speaking of content, oh wait, let me jump back over to the video here. So these are the 2 stamped nails, and then I'm going to talk about how I had to dig out the little snowflakes from this. You can see them in there from this bottle. It was like HE double hockey sticks on earth, getting these snowflakes out, but I did them, and then I placed them individually onto the nails because it was just the way that it was going to work best. So anyway, I wanted to say, I talked a little bit about content, and I had to laugh at myself because I had all of these ideas when I first decided, yeah, I want to do this again. But you should see my list of videos that'll be coming up in the future. It is a notebook, like a full notebook sheet long of ideas for you guys. And I'm going to say college ruled. And I'm going to share everything I've learned about running my own business, including like tips, tricks, hacks, and of course, you know, nail art tutorials, supply hauls, all that fun stuff. What to do, and more importantly, what not to do when you are trying to, you know, run your own business. And I also want to teach. So I want to teach not only that, but I want to teach how to stamp and how to do all of these fun things that I know you guys all love to learn about. So once I got all of the snowflakes in place, I went through and started adding some white dots just to make it look a little more snowy and just a little razzle dazzle. So I guess the best takeaway from this video is that just because something doesn't succeed doesn't necessarily mean that it failed. What it means for me personally is that I just found a way that doesn't work for me. But now that I have all this knowledge taking up space in my brain, I want to use that to bring inspiration to you. So I figure whether you are a nail art hobbyist or even someone who wants to or is already running a small business, you're definitely going to get something out of this channel, which is what it's all about. And for that, I am truly, truly grateful. So I just wanted to touch base on, oh, this is the index finger. And this one is just going to get 2 coats of that beautiful KB Shimmer. Now this polish is really thick. It's an indie brand and it has like a thicker consistency, which is why I think I have such a hard time getting these little snowflakes out of it. But again, I wanted to go through and just place the snowflakes, and I had one on my brush. I was so excited. The things we get excited about. But I had to go through, and again, I had to manually place them onto the nail. And then it was like I was getting down to business because I was putting this on a stand because I was going to need both hands so I could pick these gosh darn snowflakes off of the gosh darn brush because I was getting so frustrated. So you can see they're like literally stuck to the brush there. But yeah, so I put it on the stand so it wouldn't like slide around when I was trying to not hold that but put it on at the same time. And I think it worked out really well because the finished look with the top coat and everything, it just came out so cute. So then I went through again and just went and put more white snow dots all throughout the nail, and it just came out so cute. So this is the Maniology smudge-free top coat. This is a water-based top coat. Once I put that on, I had to use that because I was using stamping polish for the snowflake dots, and I didn't want anything to smudge or smear. So once all of that was done, isn't that cute? It looks so cute all done. I grabbed my Etsy Good to Go quick dry top coat, and I just went through and top coated everything, and on top of the other Maniology smudge-free top coat. It's not enough on its own to protect the nail. It's just enough to get on there and not let anything smudge. But I just loved so much how this all worked together. Pulling out those snowflakes really did do the trick. I mean, it was worth the time that I took doing it. But I wanted to say thank you so much for watching this video and for being so supportive. And let's take one final look at the nails. This is how the decorated ones all look together. And I'm so excited. I just think it looks so cute. If you'd like to see how I packed my orders, check out this video right here. It shows step by step how to pack a professional looking press-on nail order. Have a great day, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, keep on rocking those fabulous nails. Bye.